First line managers are leaders. If they want to take the employees, they supervise to higher level of performance. I learned that sometimes you have to keep this journey a secret from the employees. First, you may know the direction you want to take, but the path may not be clear, even though you know the leadership process. Second, even if you tell employees you know the path, some employees may not follow, and some will create resistance. When I was a boy in Verbena, a friend of mine, Benny Baker, said he knew where a cave was on Chestnut Creek. I and my buddies wanted to go. Benny took us on the journey. We walked past the old Baldwin mansion. We stopped, looked in every window. Walking past the barn, we stopped to look at a couple of their old horse buggies. These were fancy rich folks' buggies. We then proceeded on the path that led to the cave. We crossed a log, across a small branch. The journey took us through the woods, over hill and dale. The journey was great. We finally made it to the cave. Now we had our vision of what a cave was. This was no cave. Actually, it was just an overhang on the side of a cliff, overlooking Chestnut Creek. Benny had shown us the way. Now we knew it was not a cave. If Benny had told us that it was an overhanging rock, we might not have followed him. We went back several times, not because of the cave, but because of the journey. Point is, sometimes the vision we have as leaders will not inspire our employees to follow. We may have to keep the destination a secret. We head out on the path. We have done this before, leading our group in a new direction, keeping all our options open. We and our employees are on a mission of discovery. We need to be flexible, stop and look at a buggy or two along the way. Transformer with a rope and a gin within 2 years to serve a customer. He would not have believed me. Actually, I did not know that was where I would be taking them, but that was where we were going. It came naturally, because on the trip to this position we visited a few buggies. They came with me on the journey. Mode of mind. I had been a salesman for 2 years before coming to this company. I had to get my mind right. Zig did that. Then I knew it costs 5 times more to get a new customer than to keep an old one. I asked for a print out of all our customers. On this printout I went back to 1974, marking every customer that had purchased and what they purchased from the office. I sent them a sales letter and brochure, thanking them for purchasing that item/items from us. I personally signed each letter. I placed a Baptist thermometer in the back of the office, with our office's goal at the top. Each week I posted the previous week's sales figure on the thermometer. I made a sales book for the reps that listed all the dimensions and features of each appliance we sold. I did more, but you get the point. We were on a different path. The first sales campaign of the year, we sold 5000 plus. This was good enough to place first in our division. For the whole year, we sold 9968 in appliances. I know because I missed a personal award by 8. That is not the point. I was not doing this for a personal award. I was doing it because I knew the way. I wanted to take the office to the cave. Leaders know the path. Leaders know too, if they follow the path of leadership, they can take their organization where it has never gone before. They know how the employees will feel once they reach the designation. The fun is the journey. The employees will know how to get back to the cave with or without you. This is the essence of leadership. Showing employees that the journey to accomplishment is challenging and fun. What I believe, leadership is a spiritual quest. It is the greatest mystery of life.